When I started freelancing, I started it as a side hustle and soon switched to it completely. But even as a freelancer, I try to have other side hustles that can bring me some money every month. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. Here are 6 side hustle ideas that you can start today and do along with your job, maybe after you come home or during the weekends. The very first thing is freelancing. I think it is really easy to start, and the best thing is freelancing allows you to focus on the skill that you have and provide that as a service. So it is something that you are supposed to enjoy. So if you are someone who enjoys writing, then you can choose content writing or copywriting and provide that as a freelance service. Look for clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Although I do not recommend these platforms, but I know a lot of people use these. But you can use LinkedIn, obviously. I highly recommend it. You can also tell all the people around you that you are providing these. So if anybody needs these services, they can reach out to you. The next thing is creating your digital products. This is another great way to start a side hustle, and the best thing about it is that you don't have to actively do it every day. As for freelancing, you have to provide the service, you have to do the work. But for digital products, you just have to create it once, and then you can sell it as many times or to as many people as you can. So what are digital products? Digital products can be ebooks, can be masterclasses, video sessions like maybe this YouTube video, can be a course or a mini course that you want to create regarding your area of expertise and teach something to the people. There are a lot of platforms that allow you to sell your digital products. Some that I can think of are Topmate. I personally use Topmate and absolutely love it. There's Graphy, and there are a lot of other platforms. But if you're thinking creating digital products might be difficult, it's not. For example, I have a digital product which is called the LinkedIn Masterclass, where I have taught the basics of LinkedIn. So if someone wants to get started with LinkedIn, then that is the masterclass that can help them. I have created a YouTube video and I have kept the link private. I have added it to my Topmate page, and now whenever somebody goes on that Topmate page and makes the payment, they get access to that link and they can watch the masterclass through that. So it's really easy these days to create a digital product and get started with this side hustle. Next one is providing consultations. This is another great way to start a side hustle. In fact, this is something that I actively do and really enjoy. Again, Topmate is a great platform where you can do this. Basically, you can create a page where you can share all the expertise that you have. And when people come on that page and if they book a call with you, you can have a 60-minute or a 2-hour call with them where you solve their problems, teach them something, and earn money. The next one is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing can be done through many ways, but basically you have to do some kind of content creation here, which I will come to very soon. But let's take my example. I write on Medium, and Medium is not paying Indian writers at the moment. So the way I can earn through Medium, if I want to, is through affiliate marketing. So if there are programs that if I want to recommend to my audience, if there are products that I can recommend to my audience, I can do that through my articles. So let's say I'm writing an article on how to become a freelancer. So I can talk about the course that I took when I started freelancing, and if I become an affiliate partner of that course, then I can add that affiliate link to my article, and now whenever somebody clicks on that links and buys that course, I will get a percentage of the revenue. This is a great way to earn, right? And you must have heard of Amazon affiliate program also. So if you are promoting products, I've seen a lot of influencers doing this, that they wear certain outfits and then they share the affiliate links of those outfits with their followers, and that's how they earn from affiliate marketing. The next thing is YouTube. Now, YouTube is a long term game. Here, you cannot earn money immediately, but it definitely is a great way to start a side hustle. Here, you can develop so many of your skills. You can develop your speaking skills, you can develop video creation skills, video editing skills, designing skills for thumbnail or YouTube SEO. There's so much you can learn when you start creating content or videos on YouTube. And the best part is, eventually, if you stick to it and if you keep improving, you can monetize your content and YouTube will start paying you. Although the payment is not a lot, but if you can grow on this platform, then you can eventually leave your job and live a totally different life altogether. But yes, even I have started treating YouTube as a side hustle. Earlier, I was treating it as a platform where I can showcase my expertise, help people, and also get leads. But now I have also started treating it as a side hustle so that I can monetize and earn from it. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about is content creation. Now, YouTube was a part of content creation, but there are other platforms where you can create content. For example, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. There are so many platforms, right? But wherever you decide to create content, if you can grow your account on that platform, you will eventually get opportunities to earn. Not every platform pays you like YouTube does, but the good thing is you can get a lot of paid collab opportunities, you can barter collab opportunities. If you are, let's say, someone who is creating content around makeup, then makeup brands will reach out to you and they will send you their products for free and maybe ask you to review them. They will even pay you to do reviews, to try out their products and talk about all those things on your account. Content creation is also a great way to start earning money and start a side hustle basically. So that's it. These are all the 6 ways with which you can start earning a side hustle in 2024 while doing your job. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions regarding any of these, let me know in the comments, and if you still have not subscribed to this channel, please do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.